Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're solving a congruence problem in modular arithmetic. We're going to find the solutions to the equation 9x is congruent to 12 mod 15. So the problem is simple. We need to solve the congruence 9x congruent to 12 mod 15. What does that mean? It's asking for values of x that satisfy this equation when taken modulo 15. But before we jump into solving it, we first need to check if there are any solutions at all. To check for solutions, we compute the greatest common divisor of 9 and 15, which is 3. Now for the congruence to have solutions, the GCD must divide the constant on the right-hand side. Here, 3 divides 12, so we know that the solution exists. In fact, there are exactly 3 solutions modulo 15. Next, we simplify the congruence by dividing everything by 3 to get 3x is congruent to 4 mod 5. So this is a simpler congruence that we can work with. Now, so let's focus on solving 3x congruent to 4 mod 5. We first need to solve 3y congruent to 1 modulo 5 because that's going to be the multiplicative inverse of 3 modulo 5. So we can just use brute force by picking different values. So if we pick y equals 1, we see that 3 times 1 is congruent to 3 mod 5. That doesn't work. But 3 times 2 does. Because 3 times 2 is equal to 6, which is congruent to 1 mod 5. So we can multiply both sides by 2, since 2 is a multiplicative inverse. And we get 6x congruent to 8 mod 5. So the 4 and the x basically get multiplied by 2. And we have 6x going to 8 mod 5. And 8 mod 5 is just 3 mod 5. And then 6x is congruent to 1 mod 5. So both of these guys, this turns into 1 and this turns into 3. So we have x is going to 3 mod 5. So that's going to be one of the solutions. Now let's lift back to modulo 15. So remember, we divided by the greatest common divisor, which was 3. The solutions modulo 15 are obtained by adding multiples of 5. Because remember, it was modulo 5. So we have 3. We're going to add 5 to it twice, because we said there's 3 solutions. So the first one will just be 3. The second one will be 3 plus 5. And the third one is 3 plus 10. All of these mod 15. So that gives us 3, 8, and 13. So those are going to be the solution. And if you want to get all of them, we could just take 3 and add by a multiple of 5. So x is equal to 3 plus 5k, where k is an integer. And that's our final answer.